Do you ever feel overwhelmed by clutter in your home? A clutter-free environment isn't just visually appealing, it's a pathway to less stress and greater productivity. Experts like Jody N. Gonzalez, Laura Catano, and Joanna Weirick have shared invaluable insights on the importance of decluttering and organizing. They suggest simple changes like mindful purchasing and efficient storage to maintain a serene and orderly home. Stay tuned as we explore 8 easy habits that can transform your living space. Welcome to Serene Shelter. Let's dive into our first habit, making your bed daily. Starting the day by smoothing out your sheets and fluffing the pillows might seem trivial, but it's a powerful ritual. Experts agree that this simple act not only tidies your space, but also sets a positive tone for your entire day. It's about creating an environment that reflects order and calm. When your bed is made, your bedroom instantly appears cleaner and more inviting, which can significantly boost your mood and productivity. A neat bed can make the whole room feel more organized. Now on to the next habit. Next up, keeping surfaces clear. Imagine stepping into a room where every surface is free from clutter. It's refreshing, isn't it? Clearing off countertops, tables, and desks not only enhances the aesthetic of your space, but significantly reduces visual clutter. Start by evaluating what really needs to stay out. For the essentials, innovative storage solutions can be a game changer. Think undershelf baskets, drawer dividers, or decorative boxes that keep necessary items accessible yet discreetly out of sight. This practice not only streamlines your space but also simplifies the cleaning process. Clear surfaces not only look good but also save you time when cleaning. Moving on to paperwork. Dealing with paperwork can be daunting, but it's crucial for a clutter-free home. Start by tackling your mail right away. Sort it into categories: keep, recycle, or shred. This prevents the accumulation of unnecessary paper around your space. Next, establish a filing system. Label folders for various categories like bills, insurance, and personal documents. This organization makes retrieval straightforward and keeps surfaces clear. Additionally, embrace the digital world. Opt for electronic statements and records whenever possible to reduce physical clutter. With these systems in place, you'll avoid piles of papers. Let's talk about mindful purchasing next. Keep in mind, before you buy, think twice. Mindful purchasing is a cornerstone of maintaining a clutter-free home. Every item you bring into your space should have a purpose and a place. Ask yourself, do I really need this? This simple question can prevent unnecessary items from accumulating. Additionally, consider, where will I store it? Ensuring everything has its designated spot can dramatically reduce the chances of clutter. Mindful purchasing helps keep your home clutter-free and your mind clear. Now let's focus on designated places. A place for everything and everything in its place. This timeless organizing principle isn't just about neatness. It's about setting up your space for daily success. When each item in your home has a designated spot, you eliminate the chaos of searching for misplaced things. This not only saves time, but significantly cuts down on stress. Imagine never having to scramble for your keys in the morning or sift through piles to find your charger. Assigning specific places to store your belongings streamlines your routine and simplifies your life. When items have a home, tidying up becomes a breeze. Up next, declutter regularly. Regular decluttering can transform your space. Imagine setting aside time each season or even each month to sort through your belongings. This isn't just about tidying up, it's about reassessing what's truly important. Start by separating items into 3 categories: keep, donate, and discard. Ask yourself if each item has been used in the last year, if it brings joy, or if it's just occupying space. This process not only clears physical space, but also mental space, making room for new experiences and a clearer mind. A regular declutter keeps your home fresh and inviting. Let's wrap up with the final thoughts. Embracing these habits can lead to a serene and clutter-free home. Let's quickly recap. Start each day by making your bed, keep your surfaces clear, manage your paperwork diligently, purchase mindfully, ensure everything has its place, and engage in regular decluttering. These simple steps can profoundly impact your living space, transforming it into a haven of peace and order. Do you have any tips or thoughts on keeping your home clutter-free? Share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Serene Shelter for more insights. Thank you for watching.